we are in the Westbend Segment. It's just Bryant, my dad, and I today. We got a little late start, a little earlier than yesterday, but it's about 11:45. Just started, literally probably not even a half mile into our truck. We have 8 miles, but we're in that Westbend Segment. And I honestly really can't believe how beautiful this is for being like in West Bend. It's very rustic. It's like a stony trail, pine trees. Kind of surprised me. Now we're in like the rustic trees here. We're all feeling pretty good. We did 7.6 yesterday. We did the Pike Lake, Slinger, and then Cedar Lake segments. So it's a total of 7.6 miles. Today we have 7.8 roughly. It's just gorgeous out here. Look at this. Leaves falling. It's a perfect day. It's about 40 degrees. There's a chance of rain, but I think the storm passed us, so it rained this morning pretty good. But I think we'll be dry the rest of the day, so it'll be perfect. Can he do it? Almost through day 2. We are about a half mile from the car. We have this beautiful bridge. Look at it. We've had multiple really beautiful new bridges. We had one really long one yesterday. This one's really awesome too. It's pretty long. This goes down to there. It goes down to there. It's a decent sized bridge. It's really awesome, the craftsmanship that the volunteers put in for this on the Ice Age Trail. We're really thankful for them. It's dry, but it must not be all the time. But we're almost done. We almost made it. Half mile to go.